Manufacturing is booming. And the biggest issue that manufacturers have right now is that they don't have the labor that they need to keep up with the demand by consumers as things start to pick up. That may sound a little disparaging, but the good news is there are solutions available. But first, I want to have a look at two different companies. Now, I'm going to generalize these companies as Company A and Company B. Company A invests in technology, invests in people, and they have a line out the door of top performers in manufacturing waiting to work with them. Why? Because they invest in the technology, they invest in the systems, they invest in their people, and they know feedback from the shop floor is the biggest way to drive innovation. And then on the other hand, we have Company B. Now, this is a company who you may often hear say, oh, there's not that much work out there, and we can't find anyone that's skilled. And the common trait I see in companies like Company B are they have a tendency to say, let's just do it with whatever we can find on the shop floor. They don't want to invest in the tech. And two, they typically don't invest in their personnel or the culture that's on their shop floor. So people don't see an opportunity to be able to grow with them. The solution is for investment, whether it's robotics. I shared an article earlier about the huge astronomical growth, like 85% in steel handlers industries, as well as across the board in the first quarter of 2021. Have you invested in robotics and automation this year? Do you have a plan to? With the impending mass retirement that's soon to hit us in the next, 10-ish years, where so many of our skilled tradespeople are retiring, we need to think outside the box. We need to reach into different demographics that may not even know that manufacturing is out there. So what are you doing to take a stand for manufacturing and having a say in the work that comes through your doors and the people that you invest in? Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.